very good afternoon to you and good morning also. Actually, my main motto is why I am uploading this video. I am uploading this video for the CBSE students who's learning in the class 8th or grade 8th class, and they having a unit internet services topic. So today I'm talking about this. In the earlier video I talked about the what is social site, social networking, so that I created a video as a part 1. So now today is the session 2, what is internet forum. So as you know well, in the earlier day we are using some messengers on the internet by using a internet service, just like your Google Messenger or your Outlook Messenger is there earlier, and some few applications are there at that time we are using, and now is also using a for live chatting purpose. The advantage is that your message has been activated on the web for the temporary purpose. Okay, so immediate if you want to chat with the someone, so you can use this facility. And but if you want to use this facility, so you can be subscribe, you may need to be registered with your mail ID or password. Okay, and it is very safe and secure and encrypted format. Okay, no one can hack this site and no one can see your messages when you are communicating with your friends or otherwise your organization or your school. Okay, so see here the definitions of the internet forum. An internet forum or message board is an online discussion site where people can hold conversation in the form of posted messages. They differ from chat rooms in that messages are often longer than one line of text and are at least temporarily archived. Okay, so in the previous video I received some comments from my students. They said that sir please also you explain in the Hindi. So okay, I am also trying to explain in Hindi. So यहाँ पे आपको क्या बता रहा है कि इंटरनेट जो फॉरम है ये एक सर्विस है जिस सर्विस के थ्रू हम मैसेज शेयर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे आपने एक मैसेज राइट किया, वो मैसेज सामने वाले पर्सन को रिसीव्ड होगा, फिर वो उसे रीड करेगा, उसके बाद वो आपको रिप्लाई करेगा. ओके, so in this way we have to send the message from one location to the another location. At that time उस समय WhatsApp, Facebook नहीं थे, so we are using they are using this type of software, and this software is known as web application. Why? Because some software available to download offline, but many software have to be work with the online only. Means जो वेब एप्लीकेशन होते हैं जैसे कि साइट्स, सो उसमें हमें ऑनलाइन ही चैट करना होता है रजिस्ट्रेशन करके, फॉर एग्जांपल योर मेल, योर फेसबुक. ठीक है, उसी प्रकार के ये सॉफ्टवेयर थे. नाउ हियर आर द सम एग्जांपल्स आर मेंशन. साइट्स वेयर करंटली एवरीवन यूजिंग फॉर लाइव चैट. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी, अगर आप चेक करना चाहते हो कि सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे वर्क करते हैं, सो यू कैन गो टू द रेडिट, ओके, गिया ऑनलाइन, 4chan, नेक्सपुया, D2JSP, something awful, and Buddy Peak and IGN. These are the currently now is also available on the internet. You can check it once and register if you want to chat with your friends. Okay, so it is also the part of the communications sites or your social networking sites where we can adding we can sharing. Okay, we can sharing text, video, okay, whatever you have the information. So many people are using Facebook, Twitter, and the newest application, the LinkedIn is having, the social media is having, and somewhere online shopping app is also having. But what you have to do if you want to see this software how it's work, so it is professionally it's work. Okay, so you can send any kind of file, attachment, video, anything. So once you have to visit it and see this software is also so many company and so many people are using right now. Now if I am talking about the your second questions, how do I join an online forum? Just click agree to term or something along those lines to being registering. Fill in a registration form. Most forum will have a typical registration form with fields that you need to fill in with information like your email address, name, date of birth, language, username and password. So what you have to do, just you have to follow these steps to register yourself in the online forum. Okay, the online forum, the meaning is that the online chatting with the someone. ओके, जैसे कि आप यूज़ करते हैं फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, तो ये उसी टाइप का एक सॉफ्टवेयर है। अगर आपको डाउनलोड करना है, सो यू कैन डाउनलोड दिस सॉफ्टवेयर फ्रॉम द ओपन सोर्स. दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज अवेलेबल as a open source as well as the license way also. So in the open source you will be have the limitations of the messages, but if you purchase this software, so you have the unlimited facilities available, and number of messages you can send at the one day. Now see here the two software I mentioned here. So many options I have, just like I told you here earlier. This software is also available. I am telling you this software is available, you can download in your system also. So the first software name is MyBB and PHPBB etc. So you can read all the theory properly. I think you will be understood your part 2. The next video I will upload it soon.